Have you ever wondered what makes someone truly unforgettable? Imagine possessing the power to make any woman miss you even when you're not around. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 powerful psychological strategies, rooted in stoicism, that will leave a lasting impression and keep her thinking about you long after you part ways. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to unlock more life-changing insights that will elevate not just your relationships, but also your personal growth. Now, let's begin with the first strategy. 1. Embody emotional detachment. Make her want what she can't have. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that the more you chase someone, the more they pull away? It's frustrating, right? Like you're giving everything, yet somehow it's not enough. Here's the truth. Desperation kills attraction. When you come across as overly eager, it's the fastest way to push her away. But when you master emotional detachment, you instantly flip the script. You become magnetic, mysterious, and undeniably intriguing. So, what does emotional detachment really mean? It's not about ignoring her or playing mind games. It's about shifting your focus. It's about valuing yourself more than needing her approval. Imagine for a moment that you're not anxiously waiting for her text or overanalyzing every little interaction. Instead, you're calm, confident, and completely at peace with yourself. This inner calm creates space. And guess what happens when there's space? She starts to feel your absence. She starts to realize what she's missing. Here's why this works. When you stop chasing, you become the challenge she wants to pursue. It's human nature to desire what feels just out of reach. Constant availability makes it easy to take someone for granted. But when you step back, not out of manipulation, but because you're prioritizing yourself, you become the kind of man she can't stop thinking about. Think about it. The last time someone ignored you or pulled away, didn't it make you wonder about them? Didn't it spark curiosity? That's the same psychological principle at play here. So, stop chasing. Stop craving her attention. Instead, focus on yourself, your growth, and your purpose. When you do, you won't just make her miss you. You'll make her want you more than she ever thought possible. 2. Create space and absence. Let her feel the void. Picture this. You've spent time with her, shared great conversations, and built a connection. But then you step away, not because you're uninterested, but because you understand the power of absence. You see, absence isn't just physical, it's emotional too. When you allow space to grow between you, something remarkable happens. She begins to feel the void of you in her life. The truth is, people often take things for granted when they're always available. If you're constantly around, she might start to overlook your value. But when you step back, even for a short time, it highlights your importance. It's like shining a spotlight on your absence. Here's the psychology behind it. When someone is always there, it's easy to forget how significant they are. But when they step away, their absence becomes undeniable. Think about the last time you took someone for granted. Maybe you didn't realize how much they meant to you until they were gone. That's exactly how this works. This isn't about disappearing or playing games. It's about maintaining balance. Take time for yourself. Pursue your own passions, goals, and hobbies. By doing this, you show her that your life is full and meaningful even when she's not around. When you create space, she'll have time to reflect and realize how much she enjoys having you in her life. And when you finally reconnect, that space will make her appreciate you even more. Remember, you don't always need to be there to be remembered. Sometimes, absence is what makes the heart grow fonder. 3. Maintain calm in chaos. Be her safe harbor. Imagine a world full of noise, drama, and constant pressure. Everything around her feels overwhelming. But then, there's you. You're calm, composed, and steady. You become her anchor in the storm. Here's why this is so powerful. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude emotional stability, especially in moments of chaos. While everyone else loses their cool, you remain grounded, unshaken by external circumstances. This kind of emotional strength is rare and incredibly attractive. In a world full of unpredictability, people crave stability. When you stay calm in challenging situations, you send a clear message. I've got this. You become the one she can rely on, the one who brings peace to her life when everything else feels out of control. Think about it. How many people in her life truly handle stress without breaking down? Probably not many. By staying composed, you set yourself apart. This doesn't mean you should suppress your emotions or act like nothing affects you. It's about controlling your reactions and approaching challenges with grace and confidence. When she sees your strength, she'll start to depend on it. And that dependability will make her miss you when you're not around. 4. Leave her curious. Don't reveal everything about yourself. You've probably heard the phrase, leave them wanting more. But here's the thing, it's not just a cliche. It's a proven psychological principle that keeps her intrigued and wanting to know more about you. When you reveal too much about yourself too soon, you eliminate the mystery. And when the mystery fades, so does her interest. But when you leave her with questions, when you let her wonder about who you are, you create a pull that's impossible to resist. Here's how you do it. Don't overshare. Instead, drop hints about your life. Share glimpses of your personality and experiences, but leave some chapters unwritten. You're like a puzzle she's eager to solve. Why does this work? Because curiosity is a powerful motivator. People are naturally drawn to what they don't fully understand. Think about it. Have you ever been so intrigued by someone that you couldn't stop thinking about them? That's the power of leaving things unsaid. So, don't give everything away up front. Let her discover you slowly, over time. This will keep her engaged and craving more of your presence. 5. Show confidence, not neediness. Let her admire your strength. Here's a universal truth. Confidence is magnetic. Neediness is repulsive. When you exude confidence, you radiate self-respect and inner strength. But when you come across as needy, constantly seeking her approval or validation, it signals insecurity. And insecurity is a massive turnoff. So, what does confidence look like? It's the quiet assurance in knowing who you are and what you bring to the table. You don't have to boast or prove yourself. Your worth is evident in the way you carry yourself. When you show confidence, you communicate that you're whole on your own. You don't need her to complete you, and that independence is incredibly attractive. Neediness, on the other hand, does the opposite. When you rely on her for your happiness, it puts pressure on the relationship and makes her feel like she's responsible for your self-worth. Remember, confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about self-assurance. Be the man who knows his value, who stands strong in his own life. When she sees that you don't need her, but choose to be with her, she'll start to see your strength in a whole new light. By embodying emotional detachment, creating space, maintaining calm, sparking curiosity, and showing unwavering confidence, you'll become the kind of man who leaves a lasting impression. She won't just think about you when you're gone. She'll miss you deeply. So, if you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to join us for more game-changing insights. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.